Started using my branding iron again. Wanted to show you guys a video on how to do branding on a piece of wood. Could be a little bit tricky, and you want to make sure that you're testing before you're actually doing it. So I went back and I found a piece of oak and I tested the number of seconds I held the branding iron to the flame. So this was 1 minute, this was 1:10, and then this was 1 minute 30. And 1 minute 30 was definitely too much because it starts to sort of burn up the outside of the indentation. And at that point, you kind of got to sand and just clean it up a little bit. The 1:10 was about right. The 1 minute looked all right as well. So I think like 1:05 is about perfect. If I had done maybe 45 seconds, I don't think that would have done it. The interesting thing though is with the 1:30, I used this stamp and then it was still hot enough to stamp a bunch of other things. So it's like that first stamp was no good, but then the subsequent stamps were okay with 1:30. So what I've done is I've made a little jig for myself, and essentially I want to use my logo on the very outer edge right here. So I've made a little logo clamp so that way I know where it goes approximately every time. So we're going to clamp this down. Make sure it doesn't move. And what I'll do is I'll heat this up, get it all set, and then drop it right there. The trick is to remember which way you're doing this, so that way you drop it on properly. We're going to heat this up for a minute. I've got my phone and my stopwatch. Heat this up, burn it in, show you how to do it. Start. One minute. Remember which way we're burning this in. Come back, hold it with 2 hands, keep it steady. You don't want to rock it too much. There you go. That one came out maybe a little bit too light. I probably could have done another couple seconds of burning it in. But every piece of wood has a little bit different sort of going in. That one a little bit deeper. This is more topical, I guess you could say, but still is burnt in pretty good. So there you go, guys. There is burning in a logo with a branding iron. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vid.